So why you came in a Lamborghini? I have a Lamborghini. Did you saw a Lamborghini? Yeah. At the hotel. Yeah, why? The red one. Yeah. Because I'm a king of Muscat. Yeah. Yes. Yes. So can you give us a lift? Unfortunately, no. But yes, because of what you did yesterday. Ijele. King. Kuzani. Because I did some stuff. Must I leave my stuff here tomorrow here? Oh, okay. So can you give me the one that I gave you? If you still. Okay, and I take it tomorrow. Oh, that will get enough. Okay. I'm not sure.
manje mhlawumbe ngenzele kusasa
And then you could give this one to me tomorrow.
Yes, so that we can okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Why don't I get this tomorrow? Yeah, you're gonna put it nice for me.
Yes.
Please.